Hello guys, you're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the state chart diagram of TCP, guys. Okay, so this is the state chart diagram of TCP. I think it's clear, right? And is okay, it's not completely visible, right? So just give me a second, I'll be increasing the height. Okay, so I think now the height is okay, right? Yes. Okay, so if I keep it more height, it will be really tough for us to watch the things, right? Yes. So this is the diagram for the state chart diagram of TCP, guys. So basically what does this explain and what type of questions we can expect from this particular topic is what I'll be discussing first. So in the exact what this explains exactly is the exact flow in which a TCP will work, guys. So basically how it is going to get into established connection and how it is going to close the connection. So these are the two main steps which we'll be discussing. Okay, yes. Okay, so what exactly happens is, so in examination few of you will be like, okay, so in examination there is nothing like a drawing, right? So then what type of questions we can expect? So basically he will give some particular state and he will ask on giving what will happen, on giving what will happen. So in that way he could frame some questions. There are around 2 to 3 questions, I think so, according to my knowledge. So anyway we'll be discussing each and every question, guys. So we'll be covering these type of questions also. Okay, yes. So first of all, let us learn the concept here, guys. Okay, so first of all, the thing is, if you recall, okay, so if you recall the connection, so initially the client will send the connection, right? Yes. Okay, so just to concentrate, guys. So there are total multiple ways, right? So sometimes client will send, sometimes server could also send the request, right? Yes. So that is the reason why there are various cases here. So let us start understanding. Okay, so the first thing that you should understand here is this blue color line. I think the text is not that much clear, but the colors are clear, right? Yes. So this particular blue line is nothing but the server thing, guys. So what server is doing, so that is indicated with the blue line, and similarly what client is saying, that is indicated with the red line, guys. Okay, so here they assumed that the server as the sender and client is the receiver. Okay, yes. Okay, so first basically at the moment of time our server is in the listen mode, guys. So initially assuming that, so we'll start here, right? Yes. So now the server is in the listen mode. Okay, so now what it will do, guys, so now the server will only say, right? So here indirectly server is our sender, guys. Okay, so that is the reason why our sender will only send, right? Okay, I think the diagram is a bit wrong, guys. Just give me a second, I'll be cross checking it because I think it's a bit wrong. Okay, so where is the exact connection? So basically if SYN is received, then the establishment. Okay, just give me a second, guys. Okay, sorry for that, guys. I think that diagram is having some silly mistakes, so that is the reason why I brought another diagram. Okay, so this diagram is directly from the textbook, guys, so now I cannot say any reasons, right? Yes. Okay, so the first thing that I want to clear is so the lines which are given here. Okay, so the lines here given are two different types, guys. Okay, so the thick guy, so basically this thick one is nothing but the client and the dotted one is nothing but the server, guys. Got it? Yes. Okay, so if you recall, what is the first stage, guys? So once from closed you will come to listen mode, right? Yes. So who will be always in the listen mode, guys? Is the client or the server? So if you recall, the server will always be in the listen mode, right? So he is just waiting for the clients to come, right? Yes. So that is the reason why first of all from closed to listen mode, that is also called as a passive open, guys. So that will be done by our server, right? Yes. So once our server, so if you want I can show you the diagram parallelly. So here, so server will always be the passive open. Okay, so once a client wants to send the data, he will send the sequence number and the SYN packet, right? Yes. So here the sender is nothing but, so what is a dark line, guys? It is nothing but client, right? Yes. So now if a client sends the data, so he will do the SYN send. Okay, so the receiver will receive the SYN and it will send the SYN with acknowledgement, right? Yes. Okay, so from here again the client will say, right, the client will send the particular thing. Now sorry, the server will send the acknowledgement and it will send nothing, right? Yes. So if you recall, the exact first 3 steps I have been done here, right? Yes. Okay, so once we reach this established state, you will continue your data transmission. Okay, so once the data transmission is done, so let us assume that the client wants to end the connection. what client will do? Client will wants to close the connection. He will send a FIN packet, right? Yes. So once that FIN packet has been sent there, so we will be in a FIN wait state, guys. So while we are waiting for it, we will be waiting for it. Okay. So now from that establishment state, the server will also send the FIN packet with acknowledgement, right? And confirming that to cancel it, right? Yes. So now it will be in close wait state. Okay. And you are in FIN wait state. Okay. So once you receive this acknowledgement, okay, you will move to FIN wait 2 state, guys. Okay. So once this acknowledgement has been received by here, you will move from here to here. That is nothing but last acknowledgement. Okay, so you will send the FIN and you will terminate here. So basically once you receive this particular FIN, you will acknowledge and you will confirm that the connection has been disconnected. And here once that particular thing is done, after some particular moment of time, you will move back to closed state, guys. Got it? So this flow which we have learned now, so is a one possible flow, right? Yes. So there are various possible flows here, guys. So now you are getting some idea, right? So how exactly this connection is flowing. Okay, so basically always remember that the server will be in passive listen mode, guys. Okay, so when it is listening, sometimes the server can only send the request. Okay, so that is also possible. So that is the reason why there are various possibilities here. So there could be some issues with respect to the server. So basically assume that the server is too busy serving each and every one. So at that time it is directly going to close the connection, right? Because it is too busy. So there is a case here, right? Yes. So in that way there are various cases in the diagram, guys. So now you are understanding, right? So how exactly the flow will occur. That is the reason why this diagram is called as a state diagram of TCP. Got it? Yes. So now you are getting the idea, right? Yes. So anyway, I have already discussed this in detail with respect to the theoretical notes also in my course, like in our semester, guys. So anyway, I'll try to link that particular video here. If I forget it, please let me know in the comment section, guys. Okay, because in that video I think I have explained it more clearly, like exactly step by step how it is working. Okay, yes. So you got the idea, right? So the same flow chart which we have discussed previously, so that is what this is representing with respect to states. Got it? Yes. Okay, and based on the inputs and outputs or the received messages, the things will change. Got it? Yes. So assume here. So assume that the established connection, once the established connection is settled, so now all the data transfer has been done, and now this time the the client has requested for a close. Okay, so he gave FIN. Okay, he sent the FIN packet. Okay, and assume that the server also sent the FIN packet. So at that time it will be automatically going into closing, right? So it depends on completely the what they are receiving, guys. Got it? Yes. So as you understand this lecture clearly, you will understand, right guys, exactly how it is flying. Okay. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing some attacks or some particular things, guys, like issues what will be there. Like we'll be discussing about retransmission, SYN flow attack and all those things. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this diagram. Guys, there are some basic questions about this diagram. Anyway, we'll be discussing them in the PYQ piece. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next topic. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.